Hello there, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to look at setting up the QPython package for doing some tutorial videos. So let's get started here. I am going to begin by making that a little bit bigger for you folks. Let's start in this Git repository where I'm just going to put some of my Python stuff and say Q examples, tutorials maybe, something like that. Yeah, and spelling words correctly helps. Good. We've got this empty directory. And maybe for this first video, let's look at installation. So you can use a variety of different tools to create virtual environments. I tend to like using UV. You can go UV virtual environment. Now I've actually also already made one, and I have a shortcut on my system to go VE for virtual environment that will activate an existing virtual environment if one is available, or it will make a new one on its own. So now we're in this Q tutorials with Python 3.12.3. Now, how do we install? Well, to install Q, we can go uv pip install Q. Notice that Q is spelled CIW, and this is the Welsh spelling of the word Q. An English spelling would be something like Q-U-E-U-E. So let's install. It installs just fine. There's Q version 3.2.5 and its dependencies. Good. And also let's uv pip install pandas. And actually, while we're here, maybe let's just make a requirements.txt file for now. And we'll put Q in there and we'll put pandas in there. We could pin the versions, but I think we'll be fine. So let's go pip install -r requirements. They're already installed, so we're good to go. Now in this repository, let's commit these changes. Added requirements file for Q examples. We'll start with that and then git push. Good. That's taken care of. Now let's actually, before creating an example, let's call it there for this video, and we'll start another video to get onto the follow-up stuff. How about that?